Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. It is iPhone 12 and 12 Pro day. We're going to be unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro in Graphite, 128 gigabytes here. So as you can see here, we have our smaller box, which is the black box for the Pro models. It's got the same plastic and overall design on the outside. It's just about half the size as the previous versions. Taking it off here, we have the phone right up front and center, upside down. It doesn't have anything on the back of it, just this little piece of paper on the front. It feels very, very, very nice with those squared edges. Has some nice weight to it as well. So go ahead and put this over to the side. We don't get a charger, as everybody knows. We have a little pamphlet here with your SIM eject tool for the SIM-free models and Apple sticker. Right down here we have your Lightning to USB-C, and that is all you get in the box this year. Go ahead and take this paper off. No plastic peel this year, unfortunately. But we do have a little bit of a sound there from that. Very nice phone. It looks very clean. Obviously, it's only going to look like this for a little while before it gets all fingerprinted up on that stainless steel and front glass. But I do have a nice case for it. I did get the red silicone MagSafe case, so we'll take a look at that as well. It just slides out of the box. It does have a little protective thing on the back, so if you have multiple cases like in a store or something, they don't all stick together from the magnet. Little piece of paper on the front, and just wrapped in there with a piece of plastic. And it just pops off. You can see the MagSafe circle right there where the magnets are. It does have some magnets in it to help hold it to the phone, as well as attach MagSafe accessories to the back. The phone's not on, so we don't get the little animation, but you do get an animation when you put the case on that shows the color of the case you put on, or like an outline of the wallet. And then right here we do have the MagSafe charger. So you can stick that to the back of MagSafe cases and charge the phone, or you can stick it to the back of the phone directly. Looks like a big giant Apple Watch charger. It is USB-C. It does not come with an adapter, so you will need a USB-C wall adapter or something you can plug in to get that USB-C power. This does charge at 15 watts for the 12 and 12 Pro, so make sure you have a like a 20 watt adapter, I think is what they recommend. But it just sticks on the back. It sticks on there pretty good. It's not going to fall off if you try to use the phone with that on there or anything like that. But that is my iPhone 12 Pro in Graphite. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.